Hello guys, welcome to Coloseco. I am Yash Temuja. Today we are going to discuss the eligibility criteria, exam pattern, selection process and all other important details regarding the UPCET entrance exam. UPCET is a common entrance exam conducted for admission to the MBA colleges of Uttar Pradesh. The exam was earlier known as UPSEE, but it has now been renamed to Uttar Pradesh Combined Entrance Exam UPCET. Candidates who are seeking admission to any MBA colleges in Uttar Pradesh need to appear for the entrance exam. Some of the well-known MBA colleges that accept the scores of UPCET exam are Bundelkhand University Jhansi and AVS Engineering College Ghaziabad. Let's discuss who is eligible to apply for UPCET MBA exam. Candidates who have completed a bachelor's degree from any recognized university with 55% as the minimum aggregate can apply for the UPCET MBA exam. Those who belong to any reserved category must have scored at least 45% marks. Besides this, there is no age limit to appear for the exam. It should be noted that interested candidates must have completed and cleared mathematics both at 12th and bachelor's level to be able to take the exam. Moving forward, let's check the application process of the UPCET MBA exam. The application form of UPCET MBA will be uploaded on the official website of UPCET. You can click on the Apply Now tab provided on the official website and then start filling the application form. You will have to fill your personal, academic and professional details in the application form. After that, you can choose 3 preferred exam centers as per your convenience. You are advised to check all the details before submitting the application form. You will also have to upload your recent colored passport size photograph in a JPG format. The size of the photograph should not be more than 100 KB while the size of signature file should not be more than 30 KB. You will also have to submit an application fee along with the application form. The application fee for the general category candidates is INR 1300 and the application fee for the reserved categories is INR 650. The application fee can be submitted by credit card, debit card or net banking. There are around 15 exam centers available for the UPCET MBA exam including Allahabad, Bareilly, Gorakhpur, Meerut, Varanasi, Ghaziabad, Jhansi, Moradabad, Bareilly, Muzaffarnagar, Kanpur, Aligarh, Lucknow and Mathura. UPCET will be conducted in an online mode. The question paper of the UPCET examination will be divided into 4 sections, namely English language, numerical aptitude, thinking and decision making, and general awareness. Roughly 100 questions will be asked in the exam. Each question will be provided with 4 possible options, and candidates will have to choose one option that they feel is correct. Plus 4 marks will be awarded to the candidates for each correct answer, while there will be no negative marking for any incorrect answer. As we can see from here, each section of the UPCET exam contains 25 questions each, and maximum marks obtainable in each section is 25. The syllabus of UPCET MBA exam comprises all the important topics that will be covered in the exam. The English language sections cover questions from vocabulary, sentence correction, synonyms, antonyms, and other important topics from English. The numerical aptitude covers questions from arithmetic, algebra, geometry, tables, working time, etc. The thinking and decision making section aims at testing the creative thinking ability of the candidate, while the general awareness section aims at checking the general knowledge of the candidates. You are advised to check the syllabus of UPCET exam before starting the preparation for the exam. The admit card of UPCET MBA exam will be uploaded on the official website of UPCET. You can download the admit card after entering your login details. You will have to carry the hard copy of UPCET admit card while going to the examination center. Those who are not carrying the UPCET admit card will not be allowed to enter the examination center. AKTU will release the result of UPCET MBA exam on the official website of the exam. You will have to enter your name and roll number to check your result. You are advised to take the printout of the result for future reference. The hard copy of the UPCET MBA result will be required during the counseling round. Once the result of UPCET are out, all the participating colleges will release their cutoff. The cutoff will allow you to know the minimum marks that you will be required to get admission to any college. There are many factors to determine the UPCET cutoff, such as previous year cutoffs, seat available for admission at the college, difficulty level of the UPCET entrance exam, and number of candidates who appeared for the exam. Candidates who satisfy the cutoff of UPCET entrance exam will be allowed to take part in the UPCET counseling. For the UPCET MBA counseling, you will have to register yourself on the official website. After that, you will have to appear for the counseling guide along with the requirement documents. The list of documents required for the UPCET exam can be checked from the scene. As we can see here, some of the documents required for UPCET counseling are UPCET MBA admit card, class 9th and 12 mark sheet, domicile certificate, character certificate, category certificate, and certificate of medical fitness. NTA will allocate the seats on the basis of merit and a choice filled by you by registering for the counseling. Once you have been selected for admission, you can visit the college to confirm your admission. In case you have any doubt regarding the UPCET MBA exam, you can clear your doubts on the College Seco Q&A zone. The direct link for the Q&A zone is also provided here.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.